For dealerships, frankly, in our case, when we started the journey, we got probably the best dealers from this country, and our network was the best, and they made good money. In the last 8 to 9 months, when the competition has got heated up, pent-up demand is not there, more competition has happened, and also the product aging has happened. In our portfolio also product aging has happened. So the margins, there is a pressure on the margins for dealers. There is a pressure on a dealer inventory. That's across the industry as well as within MG. I would like to believe we are doing slightly better than the industry. If the industry norm right now for the stock is maybe 60 days plus, we are about 35, 40 days at this point of time. Ideally, we should be below 30 days. That's what our target and commitment to the dealers, but slightly more. But then we have more launches coming up, and the festival season is coming up. Last quarter was a tough quarter because of various reasons. Election time, people waiting, extreme heat, and walk-ins low. But it's building up. So fundamentals are strong. And with festival season coming up, hopefully this transition issues in our case should be very, very temporary. So we are quite upbeat. And we should definitely do better than the industry.
Electric drive law, you were once one of the first companies to start electric drive. MG ZEV was quite popular and all. Now, where do you see this electric drive going forward?
I think we need to understand this context, and I'm very happy to say that our EV performance keeps improving every 6 months. As an industry, EV sales have grown up like crazy. On a small base though. Last year the whole segment was almost 93,000. EV segment was 93,000, which was more than 70-80% growth over last year. This year in the first 6 months, though there's a lot of talk about EV slowing down and things like that, but there has been 20% growth of EV against an industry growth of 7-8%. And I see with the launches of new upcoming cars coming, from the competition from our side, I think this year also industry may see a growth of 30-35% in EV. So I want to bust that myth that EV is not growing. It's growing, but not probably at an expected growth of 70-80%. It's growing still at 30%. As far as MG India is concerned, if you take last quarter, which was the first quarter of this financial year, the industry has been 2 or 3% more than last year. Our sales also more or less in line with the industry, but our EV sales have gone up by 35%. So ZS EV and Comet, our sales have gone up by 35%. And if we talk about this calendar year, we are hoping our EV sales will go up by 80%. So the whole industry may grow by 30%. Our sales will go up by 80%. These two cars, organic growth. I'm not talking about new car, So we are doing very well on the EV side.